Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shikha and I'm a legal intern at Lexis & Company. I'm a law student from UPS Dehradun. In today's video, we'll talk about patent law in India. But before starting the video, there's a small disclaimer that this video does not solicit any kind of promotion or advertisement as per the guidelines of Bar Council of India, and the only purpose for which the video is made is education purpose. In today's video, we will talk about what is patent, what is the history of patent law in India, what are the different types of patent, that is product patent and process patent, what inventions are not considered to be patentable in India, and what is the criteria of patentability in India. Our title for today's video is Introduction to Patent Law in India Part 1. Patent basically is an exclusive right which is granted to the inventor for its new invention like machinery, article, composition of matter or process of manufacturing. This exclusive right of the investor excludes other person to make, use and sell the invention. The main purpose of granting patent is to ensure that there is regular invention in the society which in turns are useful for development of society and its people itself. Patent is a territorial right, so it is granted for within a territory only, but through patent cooperation treaty we can make an application for patent in number of countries through a single application itself. History of patent law in India. The first patent law was enacted in the year 1911. This was called as Patent and Design Act 1911. The next act to be enacted in the year 1972 was called as Indian Patent Act 1970. This act consolidated and regulated all the previous patent law in the country. In the year 2005, Amendment Act was brought to the existing Indian Patent Act of 1970, through which various provisions were introduced. One of the most important provision was related to compulsory licensing in India. In India, the term of patent is for 20 years from the date of filing of application. Product patent and process patent. Product patent means that a patent which is granted on invention of a new product, while a process patent means a patent which is granted on the process of a product. Product patent implies that no one can produce or manufacture the same product even using different process of production, while a process patent implies that the same product can be manufactured but using the different process which is not the patented one. So, multiple of the same product can exist in the society. What are not inventions? In Section 3 and Section 4 of the Indian Patent Act 1970, a list of number of subject matters are given which are not considered as patent and on which patent cannot be granted in India. Section 3 subclause A to P lists number of inventions like invention which is contrary to public morality or public order. For example, an invention which is related to printing of counterfeit currency in India. These inventions cannot be granted patent right because these are contrary to public order and morality. Other inventions like mere scientific principle or theories or a method of horticulture or agriculture, medicinal or surgical processes are also not considered as invention which are patentable in India. Like these, there are number of subject matter listed in Section 3 which are not patentable. Section 4 states that the invention related to atomic energy in India are not patentable. Next, we will talk about criteria related to patentability. For a product or process to be patentable in India, it must be novel or new, which should involve an inventive step and which should also be capable of being utilized in an industry. This is mentioned in Section 2, subclause 1J of the Patent Act 1970. Now we will learn the meaning of the term new or novel, inventive step and industrial application. New or novel means that the product which is which application for patentability is filed must be a new product. That means that it should not have been disclosed to the public prior to the filing of application of patent. Inventive step means that the product or the process for which patent application have been filed must involve a technological advancement or a new economic value to it to be patented. Industrial application means that the product or the patent must be capable of being utilized in an industry. That means it must have some actual utility in the industry. That's it for part A of the video. I will be uploading part B of the video. Please check it out on our channel LexClick. Thank you so much.